Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Sublime Text on Windows. So for it, just go to your Google browser, then search for Sublime Text. Then here go to sublimetext.com. Here you can see. So I'll just click on it and it will take us to this page, and I will also keep this link in the description so that you can just directly come over here. So here you can see we have three versions here: Linux, Mac and Windows. So here you can see you have a button for download for Windows. So if we just click on it, it will start downloading. There you can see. So it is around 15 MB. So it will take a few seconds and the download is complete. So right now let's go to our download location. And there you can see this is the Sublime Text that we just downloaded. So right now we just need to double click over here. Let me just minimize this. So here you need to choose where you want to download and install Sublime Text. So I will choose the default location, which is in the C drive, and then click on next. After that, click on this, then click on next, then click on install. And there you can see it is installed. So right now we can just click on finish. So since we install Sublime Text, so if we just search for Sublime Text, there you can see we have Sublime Text over here. So this is how we can download and install Sublime Text on Windows. I hope this was useful to you. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.